the fact that training and development historically has been one of the first things to go in a business, where the economics have dictated that it's not necessary, means that actually those people who are trained and who are developed and who have moved forward professionally over the last few years especially are going to be even more rare at this stage than they were prior to the economic downturn in sort of 2008, 2009. Again, it's one of the things I think Rhead Group have managed to do very effectively is to retain that training and development through this difficult period, because we were lucky enough to continue to grow and successful enough to justify that. But it means that we feel we have a very skilled workforce. And this is where the engagement side of things comes in as well, because we will absolutely want to make sure that if there is a return to the war for talent, that we're able to engage with and retain those people that we have developed over the last few years. I think LinkedIn is unlikely to own the recruitment industry. I think it's absolutely prevalent in the market now, and rightly so. I think it's given candidates an ownership over their development and over their progression, which I don't think necessarily was as available to them previously or as easily accessible to them previously. I think it's also given companies a fantastic way of being able to understand the market and being able to employ in-house recruiters to justify recruitment spend at a lower level. That said, I don't think it will ever take over the industry completely. I think there will always be a need for specialist recruiters, because I think there will always be a need for that human touch. I think there will always be a requirement for an individual to understand the culture of a business and be able to work with that business to find the suitable people for it. It's more for us about understanding industry developments and therefore being able to amend our understanding of what our recruitment need is likely to be and trying to forecast that more effectively, rather than it being an immediate and reactive response to requirements we already have. That said, we also have things like careers fairs that we attend on a regular basis for graduate level employees, either for graduate specific roles or for the development programme that we've put in place this year. And we also host a number of events with the Career Transitions Partnership. We have a business that absolutely can utilise those skills that ex-military personnel can bring to the table, particularly relating to project programme and portfolio management across all different areas of the military. So that's a real area of direct sourcing and also of engagement that we've looked to enhance over the last 12 months.